Look, if you can turn one piece of content into an evergreen SEO-friendly piece of content that will pay you not only today, but next month, but next year and years after, why not, right? My name is Derek Pierce. I'm going to show you exactly how to pull this off. It's super, super easy to do. And if you like this, then I know you're going to like the other stuff that I have to offer as well. So be sure to follow me. Now, here's the thing. Whenever anybody does a search, it doesn't matter if you're doing a search for chatbot software, it doesn't matter if you're doing a search for running shoes or blenders, you will often see the current year as an auto suggest inside of Google. So when somebody does a search, let's say for best chat software, you will a lot of times see the current year at the end of that. The reason why is because a lot of people are looking for the best info, the latest info, because things are changing and there's new products that are out there. There's new guides that they want to see. They want the very latest thing. So it makes sense, right, to target those particular keywords as well as our main keywords. So in the event that we were targeting best blenders, it would also make sense that we targeted best blenders and in the current year as well. Well, number one, I'm going to show you how to do that. But also what I'm going to show you how to do is to appear in the search results so that way your stuff is automatically updated for years to come. So since people are looking for the current year and the latest, greatest thing, if your site is standing out from everybody else's, if they look over everybody else's and they click on yours, then that's also considered like a vote. And what's going to happen if that happens enough, then your site's going to start climbing in the search results. It's pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to pull this off. We're going to use free tools to do this. The first tool that you can do this with is a tool called Yoast. And you probably are familiar with Yoast SEO. What we're doing is we are controlling this on a post or a page basis. So you will notice whenever you go in to type in the title of your blog, as you see here, I've titled this one Best Chatbot Software just for this example. You will see we come down here and you will see that this is automatically populated. This is where most people just leave it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to change this and we're going to do this Best Chatbot Software. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put in this token is for current year. And that's all you have to do. And you'll see that this changes this to the current year. Now, if you want to get super sophisticated, you can come in here in the meta description and say, this is the only guide you need for the best chatbot software in, and then you could put current year. Okay. So this is the info that is going to be displayed when people are doing searches. And so if yours appears with the current year and then next year it automatically populates the current year, your site is going to be favored across the board from your competitors because yours appears to be the latest, greatest info. You can use this for these best of type posts, but you can also use these for review posts. You can use these for your how-to guides. You can literally use this for just about any piece of content that you want. Now remember, once you do this, once you set this up, then the new year rolls around, it's going to automatically update without you having to lift a finger. So don't think you have to go into every single post every single year and have to update the post. You put in this token and this is going to automatically do it for you. Now, if you're using Rank Math instead of Yoast, there's a way of doing it. It's just a slight tweak. Very, very simple to do, very simple to figure out. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to follow me, share this with someone, and be sure to check out my AI SEO system if you haven't done so at AISEOsystem.com. Take care and I'll see you guys real soon.